Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you guys see, we're back in my bedroom right now and we're actually in a live auction. So we're going for this 2017 Ford Mustang GT. It is a premium VIN number. It doesn't actually have the premium interior package, but that's not a problem because my idea with this one is going to go ahead to actually switch over my interior pieces into this one. Now though, what I'm hoping is it turns people away is there's actually no key for this car. A lot of the airbags are blown, but a lot of those are the ones that aren't blown in ours, so we'd actually be able to switch those over as well. As you guys can see, the damage is actually located more in the front than anything else, and the rear looks very good. Now this is also a black car, so it actually sell better instead of the yellow one. The yellow one is nice and beautiful, but the black is more of a commonly car that people would, it reaches a greater audience basically. So this is it right here. This is the damage that we're talking about towards the engine bay. It actually looked like it pushed the engine back sort of a little bit. Not too bad, but honestly, I don't know if the engine will still work in this one. That's kind of why I'm hoping it seems like it doesn't, so people can turn away from it. But there's also hope that it actually could still run. So if we do get this one and we are able to get it to run again, then we can actually sell off the engine and basically make a lot of that money back. So as you guys can actually see, the item number for this one is 2566, and we're barely on 207 at this point. So this is actually going to take a while, so I'll go ahead and get back to you guys once we get closer. But again, this is exciting. This is another live auction. We're trying to get this car. Right now the current bid is at $4,200, and if you guys watched my previous video and all the extra fees and whatnot, it is obviously going to be more, but I haven't actually bid on it yet. I'm actually just waiting for it to go down to the last seconds, obviously. Now this is going to take a while again, so I'll go ahead and get back to you guys once we get closer. So as you saw that one, the other Mustang go for, I actually want to go ahead and take a look. So this is the one again we're going for. That's the current bid right now. It's at $4,200 as I shown you guys earlier. Now we have another 2017, which has obviously less damage, but that's the current bid as we speak, $11,300. And we can go up here, we have another one, 2017, which is at $7,100, but it's on approval, so highly doubt they'll take that for it. And this is a pure sell, so I mean, this is actually more a realistic number here. Now I'm hoping this one doesn't go to above 5,000, because obviously, again, I'm hoping that the airbags that are blown turns people away. There's no key, and the damage to the engine turns people away. And therefore everything that this car doesn't have, I actually have in my car. So that's the hope, and that is the plan. So we're gonna go ahead and just look at all these other ones right here. Another 2017 on approval again, and this is actually kind of a rare thing is when they put these on for pure sale. Usually they're on minimum bid or approval, because insurance companies, especially with these Mustangs, they do not like to let them go for cheap. So I'm hoping I can get a great deal here. Now this 2016 BMW right now, it's actually going pretty slow. It's probably going to be a while. And then after this one we have I can actually skip to the next one. Let me see here. It is a 2006 Mercedes. So this one's also probably going to take a little bit of a minute because the bid is so low. It's only at $175, so obviously it's not going to sell for that much. So we're still waiting on this one. So probably within another few minutes I'll be back with you guys once the BMW gets sold, and then the Mercedes is almost done. Alrighty, so that BMW sold for $6,300, and now we're on to the Mercedes, and then it is our time to shine. I am going to bid, and I will do my best to try to win this and get this car to my house. So obviously there is a budget that I'm going on. I'm hoping to get it under $5,000 before the fees, because with the fees it's probably going to bring it up to close to $6,000 to $7,000. So let's go ahead and see. All right, it is our time. Let's see, $4,200. Looks like no one else is bidding on it until I hit the bid, and I am the winning bid, and oops, someone outbidded me. So let's see how this is gonna go. Someone really wants it as bad as I do. Oh, someone else just bidded on it too. Man. We're at 4,600. Let's see. I went ahead and did a monster bid, as you guys saw right there. And damn, they're gonna hit me with the bonus time. This is at 4,850, guys. This can actually be a really good buy and a really good car to complete the build. And there we have it. I won. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get back to you guys once we get into the actual winning screen. Alright guys, so as soon as you win a car, it takes a few minutes though, but once you win it, it actually sends you to this page and you can have your lots won right here. So as you see, we have the 2015 Mustang GT that I won previously, and then we have the new one that we just won today, as you guys just saw. Now we have the total amount. It's going to be $6,117. Now that's going to be with the fees and everything else, and then we have the shipping fee, which would be $542. It's coming from Long Beach, California, so not too far away. But again, we're gonna have to pay this off completely first, and then once this is all completely paid off, then the shipping company can actually go pick it up. Once, you know, obviously we have to pay for it as well. So we have the 6,117 that I'm gonna go ahead and pay for. Not right now, but actually in a bit. But this is it. We got it. It's 2017. It has a premium VIN number, which is perfect. It's actually gonna be worth more than if I was to fix up the yellow one. So this is it right here, and obviously you guys will go ahead and get a better look once it's actually in person. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up, and hopefully everything runs through with the bank and whatnot. Last time we did have a little bit of a difficulty, but it worked out at the end. Alright guys, so there you have it. We got it, so hopefully everything goes good with the bank. But without further ado, this is where I'm going to go ahead and end the video. So if you guys actually haven't seen the 2015, me buying it and getting it, and every other video that we have on it, be sure to check that out. But without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for this build. It's going to be crazy, and it's going to be a lot of content. So without further ado, see you guys in the next video. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Peace out.